It's 6:15 now, a live look over Providence. Let's send things over to Storm Team 10's Nick Russo. Nick Russo, we'll get a look at that in a bit. But first, let's check out how much snow we're about to get, Nick.
Yeah, Abby, we're talking about significant snowfall accumulations across the area. That is going to be the big issue late tomorrow morning, right through the afternoon into the evening hours on Sunday. Snowfall amounts around a foot in many spots, even a little bit more than that across northern parts of Rhode Island. We're not all that concerned about power outages the way it looks right now, and coastal areas not really going to have much of a coastal flood risk with this storm. Thankfully, there's not going to be a whole lot of wind with it. That's why we're not expecting many outages. The snow begins around 9 a.m. late in the morning, and right up until about lunchtime tomorrow is when we expect that snow to overspread the area. A little bit later up towards the Boston area, road conditions really go downhill during the afternoon tomorrow. Right now, from our People's Credit Union Skycam, courtesy of Dry Zone Basement Systems in New Bedford, we're at 12 degrees. Winds out of the north and west at 6 miles an hour. It is awfully cold outside. We're at 13 in Providence, 9 in Burrowville, and 9 in Coventry, 10 in Hope Valley. Hour by hour overnight tonight, these temperatures hold steady in the single numbers right through about 8 o'clock in the morning. Clouds start to increase during the late night hours into the morning hours of tomorrow, and our overnight lows back down to around 3 degrees tonight in Attleboro, 1 in Woonsocket. Same goes for Gloucester. So it's going to be another cold start to the day on Sunday. If you're up early tomorrow to do some last-minute preparations for the storm, it is going to be feeling like it's a couple degrees below zero around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. And then as we get later into the morning hours, not feeling quite as cold, but still going to be a chilly day tomorrow. That cold air driving the snow as we head into the midday and especially for the afternoon. The heaviest snow arrives between 2 and 3 o'clock, and then the worst of the travel conditions expected during the evening hours tomorrow, right during that Patriots game. So a good day to sit inside by the fireplace and hopefully watch the Patriots get a win tomorrow. The hour-by-hour forecast tonight, and clouds increase towards sunrise. As we head through the morning hours, 10 o'clock, notice that snow starting to overspread Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts by lunchtime, and all of us seeing a steady snow during the early to mid-afternoon. 2 p.m. snowing pretty steadily. Heavier snowfall rates around 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. I would not rule out the possibility for some thunder snow across the area for a brief time tomorrow night, as some of those heavier snowfall rates up to 2 inches per hour are expected for Sunday evening. Could be some sleet mixing in, especially towards the south coast before the heaviest snow ends after midnight. We'll have some light snow lingering, though, during the morning hours coming up on Monday. So it is going to be an awfully wintry scene around here for the next couple of days. All snow farther inland, that possibility for a little bit of sleet towards the coastline. A widespread 12 to 18 inches across Providence County, Kent County. A little bit less towards the coastline, 8 to 12 from Westerly to Newport to New Bedford. And then up towards the Boston area, that's going to be the jackpot with the storm. A widespread 18 to 24 inches for the Boston Metro. So we'll be digging out during the day on Monday. It is a Storm Team 10 weather alert the next couple of days. Tuesday and Wednesday awfully cold, highs in the 20s, lows back into the single numbers for much of next week.